Our next activity is very simple and easy. All you just need to trace down your hand as shown on your screens. Then you just have to further add the details. It will represent some of the cartoon character that's very happy. This type of the painting is very good and nice. This cartoon character is actually representing a tree trunk, and see how beautifully we have made this one. We are using some different colors so that this painting will look much attractive and kids will get fascinated out of this. Just give it a try. This is so simple and easy. We will now draw some of the funny cartoon characters that are hanging on this tree branch. This one is so easy and nice. It's best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 10 to 11. See how delicately and carefully we are creating the expressions of these cartoon characters. This one is so good and easy. Give it a try. Whole world is fond of the McDonald's and their french fries are so famous all over the world. Today we are going to make the artificial McDonald's french fries. For this we are making use of the yellow sheet of the paper that we can just paste it over some cardboard, and then we can make these french fries. For making the cover for holding these french fries, we are making use of this red sheet of the paper that we are folding and twisting. You can just pause the video so that you can have a much clearer look. Then insert the M symbol at the center and place the french fries inside this packet. This one looks so real and it's so cool. Definitely give it a try.